When to install IPTV Smarters Pro on your Amazon Firestick Android TV box. In this video, I will show you how to install. Before starting the video, if you need any IPTV service, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First of all, open the Download app and put that code in the search bar. 78522. Wait for the 5 seconds. It takes 5 seconds for verification. After that, IPTV Smarters Pro is automatically downloading. Wait for it to download. Before downloading, I want to say you something. If you are looking for a reliable IPTV service, you are on the right place. I will give you the IPTV service at affordable price. Buy a service at 20,000 worldwide live channel, 20,000 movies and 5,000 series. After download the IPTV Smarters Pro, install it. And after installation, open it. After opening, press on the TV and save it. Now scroll down and accept it. After that, press on the login with the extreme code. Now you need a username and password to watch IPTV on it. So put your username and password. If you do not have a username and password, then contact me on WhatsApp. I will give you the username and password. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.